You have let your food become your God. We need simple amino acid structures from plants. In fact, the very same animal that we're eating, where do they get their protein from? Make it make sense. Does a cow eat meat to gain muscle? A cow eats grass. A horse doesn't eat meat to gain muscle. A horse eats alfalfa sprouts that's full of vitamin K and calcium. A gorilla, a silverback gorilla, doesn't eat meat to gain muscle. It eats fruits and bamboo shoots. Silverback gorilla can ingest a lot of vegetables, right? How can we consume the amount of vegetables that a silverback gorilla can eat?
Juicing.
There you go. Because when you juice that glucose, it turns into a what? A cellulose.
Yeah.
Because you're breaking it down. You got plantain leaf, which is a vegetable, right? And you got plantain root. Then you got plantain bark. The bark is the puller. It's going to pull stuff out. The leaves are used to heal. The berries are used to oxygenate and protect your cells. The astringent fruits like the green apples, the oranges, the tangerines helps you absorb iron. Pomegranates is good for intestinal worms. Pomegranates is full of iron, right? Oranges is full of what? Vitamin C. So you get all your minerals when we get into this. So now we got a game plan. But first, we're going to have to do the unthinkable. We got to let go of that meat. You know why we got to let go of it?
It's full of toxins. It's hard to break down, to digest.
There you go.
Because,
and it's called a polysaccharide, right?
Yes, and once you get older, you don't have the hydrochloric
acid.
The acid to break it down. That's how you get gas and bloating.
We need to be a part of the solution, not part of the problem. The protein from animals are very dangerous, complex amino acid structures, especially while you're healing. The body cannot break these things down, right? The hydrogen ionic nitrogenous compounds, which produces acid toxins called uric acid, nitric acid, phytic acid. This is very unalively and deprives the cells of oxygen. They know for a fact, the so-called black man, our main minerals is iron and calcium. The white tea, their main minerals is zinc phosphate. The Chinese and Japanese, their main minerals is calcium triphosphate. Each race needs a certain mineral depending on what origin they came from. There are 7 different biological root races.